Aliyah Cassandra B. Arma, ABS-HM First Year Section A. Today, I will be discussing about the awareness to the student help eliminate the sexual transmitted disease. First, what is STD? Infections that are transmitted through a sexual contact. They are also known as sexual transmitted infection or STI. And there are many types of including chlamydia, gonorrhea, herpes, syphilis, and HIV. This infection can affect both men and women, and they can have serious consequences if left untreated. STD are spread through sexual contact, which include vaginal, anal, or oral sex. They can also be spread through the skin-to-skin contact with an infected area, such as genital warmth. In some cases, STD can be passed from mother to child during childbirth. STD, also known as sexual transmitted infection, are very common. Millions of new infections occurred every year in the United States. STD pass from one person to another through vaginal, oral, and anal sex. Social transmitted disease, there are spread mainly by sexual contact. STI are caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. A sexually transmitted infection may pass from person to person, and blood, semen or vaginal, and other bodily fluids. Sexual transmitted infection or STI are caused by intimate contact with a partner living with an STI. The more sexual partner you have, the more likely you are to be exposed to an STI. There are so many risk factors. First, having unprotected sex. Second, having sexual contact with many partners. Third, having a history of STI. Fourth, being forced to engage in sexual activity. Fifth is injecting drugs. And sixth is being young. Thank you for watching my channel.